Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. It's the month of April and Madam Glam has a brand new collection called the House of Light. This one has a total of 8 soak-off gels. They sent me these to share with you guys and I'm really excited to swatch them and see what they look like on the nails. Use the code JennyStone30 to save 30% off your order. The Madam Glam gel polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, a 21-free formula, palm oil-free, and henna-free. I'm starting off with the Confetti No Wipe Top Coat. This one is called King of Glam. And look at the variety of colors that they mixed into this confetti topper. It's so pretty and perfect for spring. Obviously, this topper goes well with any of the shades in this entire collection. This lemony yellow is called Lightborn. Look how bright it is. Next, we have this light teal, and this one is called El Rey, which means the king in Spanish. Wow, look how pretty. And the pink shade is called Angelic Sonata. And this one is kind of like a purpley pink, which is beautiful. Let's swatch all the shades. As a reminder, these are gel polishes, which means we're going to have to cure in the lamp, and we apply very thin coats. The Madam Glam gel polishes self-level beautifully and have a really creamy formula. These shades are perfect for Easter. Lastly, we'll swatch the No Wipe Top Coat. The glitter is in a clear base, so obviously there's not going to be coverage as far as the color, but I'm trying to get as many of these glitters on here so we can see what they look like. We can imagine them over all of these beautiful colors too. Let's go ahead and cure in the lamp. While those are curing, I wanted to go ahead and try to do a little nail design on one of these big fake nails so that we have a lot of space to play with. And I'm going to do a smushy mani. I'm going to use this little silicone stamper head and I'm going to just apply a little bit of each of the shades and then mix them gently and see what we come up with. So let's start with a little bit of the pink. I'm just going to put little blobs in different parts of the nail. The good thing about gel polish is that if you don't like the design, you can always wipe it off before curing and you're fine. You can start all over again and nobody will know the difference. Now we'll do a little bit of the yellow. I can't get over how pretty these colors are. Now we'll use a silicone tool to lightly mush them together. Oh wow, that looks really pretty already. That's the thing with these colors, that you don't have to do much because they just blend so nicely together that you can get a beautiful design no matter what you do. Look how pretty. I'm surprised that the yellow is so noticeable. I'm gonna add a little bit more pink and green because we have a lot of yellow going on and I want the other shades to be also part of the design. I think I'm gonna stop because you could go crazy smushing it and then in the end you'll have a huge mess. And I kind of want to see a little bit of the little details that are forming with the gel. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this really quick. But first I'm going to clean off the edges of the nail. And now we're ready to cure. And let's quickly apply a second coat of each of these shades. If you're enjoying this video, click the thumbs up and share a comment to let me know. That really helps out my channel. And let's give them a quick cure in the lamp. Madam Glam also sent me their new Frosting 3D Art Gel. This one is 5 ml or 0.5 fluid ounces. And we're going to go ahead and open it together and see if we can play with it. Okay, it has a little aluminum, so we're going to cut part of it off. And it's a clear gel. Now this is new and I've never worked with it before, but it's a clear, no wipe formula, medium viscosity texture, perfect for creating chrome abstract designs and chrome highlights. The possibilities are endless. Curing time LED 60 seconds or UV 2 minutes. Do not apply directly on your natural nails. Do not leave the lid open, the product may harden. And it also has instructions on how to use it. Apply the base coat and cure. Apply the desired color gel and cure. Apply the velvet matte top coat and cure. Using the brush, draw the design and cure for 1 minute under LED or 2 minutes under UV lamp. You can use the flat plaid, striping, petal, or detail brushes to create a texture design. You can also use gel paints to highlight the design, since it has a no wipe formula as well. Apply the chrome powder and apply the top coat and cure. So let's see what it's like. Okay. So you can see it's like a gummy texture, how they described, or like a jelly kind of texture, and it stays put. I'm going to try to use my Madam Glam flat plaid brush. They're beautiful brushes. This is what the tip looks like on this one. Before playing with the Frosting 3D Art Gel, I'm going to apply a matte top coat because that's what the instructions say. So I'm going to go ahead and use this nail for our design. Now we'll cure in the lamp real quick. And look how pretty it looks matte. I love it. Let's go ahead and play with the 3D Art Gel. See what we can do. I was thinking maybe doing a little egg in the center, like an Easter egg. And I can see why having a matte background helps because the clear, it's a lot easier to see where you put the product, obviously, because there's a matte background. Now, I'm not good at drawing, and I just realized that it might be a good idea to maybe use my stamping plates and find an egg design, stamp it first, and then trace it with the product so that I can get a better image. But for now, I guess I'll just leave it like this and let's go ahead and give it the final touch and cure and see what we have. I like the way that looks. Let's cure it. So our little egg design is cured and I have a little bit of hollow powder. I wanted to try to use it. Just gonna get a tiny little bit on my finger and see if this works. I got this one a long time ago and I don't know where I got it. Look at that, you guys. It's so pretty. It might not look like an Easter egg though. It just looks like a little blob. So I might have to outline it, but I like it. It's cool. Now I'm going to brush off the excess from the other parts of the nail that I don't need it on. And that's our little design. I also found a cute egg and tried to stamp it over the actual egg to see if it would transfer over. I'll finish the design by applying the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat. And this is how our cute little design turned out. I really like the way it works. I had fun playing with this 3D art gel and there's endless possibilities to create beautiful nail designs using it. And of course, the colors in this new collection are stunning. Beautiful, beautiful colors and beautiful formula as well. Leave a comment and let me know which one is your favorite. A big thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these beautiful products to review and share with you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.